Hello, today we'll be comparing Tastyle hot and test coffee machine versus TENKER Espresso machine 20 bar. Be sure to watch the end and I'll tell you which is better. Links to all the product signs in the description. Type of coffee, TENKER's better. Brewing capacity, Tastyle's better. Per pressure system, TENKER's better. Programmability, Tastyle's better. Burst range control is tie. Single serve options, they tie. Water reservoir, Tastyle's better. Hot iced coffee brewing, Tastyle's better. Technology, TENKER's better. LSD display interface, Tastyle's better. Heating speed, TENKER's better. Ease of use, Tastyle's better. Filter type, TENKER's better. Size and portability, Tastyle's better. Cleaning, Tastyle's better. Food pouring design, Tastyle's better. Build quality, TENKER's better. Special features, TENKER's better. Price, Tastyle's better. Who's best for depends on your preferences. Coffee quality, TENKER's better. Durability, TENKER's better. If you want to get the most powerful durable device that really tastes good making coffee, then the best choice will be the TENKER Espresso machine 20 bar. The link to buy it is in the video description.